Have you ever made twice baked potato? Some people call it double baked potato. Either way, it works out the same. These are some large potatoes, as you can see. So I like to use the large one when I'm making this dish. And I'll put a little oil on it and put them in this baking sheet. And I'm gonna put them in the oven at 350. And I think they'll bake within say 30 minutes to 40 minutes. I'll let you know. Anyway, we're gonna start the process and we're gonna come back and I'll show you what I do. My potatoes are baked and I cut them in half and I started cutting them in half and I'm scraping out the center and putting them in this bowl. And to that I'm adding butter. I'm gonna do the rest, but just to show you. And then I'm gonna add pepper, salt, black pepper, and I'm gonna use a little heavy cream today. But generally you use milk. You could just use milk, but I'm using heavy cream because it tastes better. It makes it taste better. So I'm gonna scoop out the rest and I'll come back and show you my next step. When you're scooping the potato, don't scoop it so thin that you compromise the edges, because you need this is going to be a container. It's like a little boat of stuff you're going to have. So I'm scraping out most of them, and you can leave a tiny bit of potato back in there to keep the shape. All right, and I'll continue. Add a little paprika for color. You don't have to add this, but it gives it a nice color. And stir. So I filled everything up, and I'm putting them in a bigger container over here because now we have more to bake. Instead of 3 potatoes, we have 6 pieces that we're gonna bake. So, but this is how the twice baked potato. This is how it come in, So we got 6 pieces because I know on top of here, I pile everything up that I mixed up, all the mix up, all the, I pile it up, and we're adding cheese on top. This is great for kids. My grandkids love it, and they soon come home, so I'm trying to get this done for them. They love this. They get into it, they scoop it, because of course it's cheesy. Which kid don't like cheese? Well, I'm sure there's some that don't. So we're topping them up with the cheese, and we're gonna put some bacon. Bacon. So just top them up as much as you can. And I'm gonna put the bacon now. Pieces of bacon on here, like stick them in, That's gonna be so delicious. They love it. And you can do this for your children, or you can have them help you. How about that? They're not here, or I would have them helping me like I do in some of my videos. But they love this. This is a way to get your kids to eat potato. When I was little, I used to color potato red, because they think it's ice cream. So if you want, you could also color your potatoes, color these potatoes. And that's that. Put that, and I'm gonna put a little mozzarella cheese. Mozzarella cheese is the cheese that we use when we are making that they use on see, mozzarella. It's the one they use on pizza. So this is gonna be drained down. Hopefully it's gonna. This is the oven at 4. I'm gonna put it at I put it at 380. I'll see how it goes. Anyway, we're looking forward to eating these. Put every drop, every last drop of cheese. All right, I'm gonna put them in the oven now because they're here, and they're ready to eat. Right, though? Yeah, I'm gonna fix this up. I'm putting it in the oven. It's gonna take 15 minutes. Okay? Okay? Say hi.
Hi.
She just came home from school, and I know she can't wait to eat this.
Because I don't have homework.
You don't have homework?
Yeah.
Oh, good. Say hi. That's Sydney. She always helped me in the kitchen. They just came home and I was trying to rush to finish it before they came, but they caught me. So it's gonna be 15 minutes, okay guys?
What are you making? Double
Nice
baked
baked potato with bacon. You remember? Guys, look at those potatoes. With sun streaming through the window. I am taking them out because I'm
Looks
getting...
so good.
Can't wait, right?
Give me more.
Yeah,
Give
I'm
me.
gonna give them that fork. Let me just close it. See that is steaming. See the cheese is melting, and that's what I wanted. The only reason you're putting them back is really just to melt the cheese, because everything is cooked. And because I put the mozzarella cheese up here, you can see this. Yeah, this is what the kids love, and the other cheese is right underneath it on top. Cheddar cheese on top of the
No, I wanted it.
hot. Anyway, lovely. Try this for your kids. They love it, right, guys?
Mm-hmm.
Right?
I put my hair up.
Okay. All right.